How to install Roblox in your mobile device. If you own iPhone device, then on the iPhone device open your App Store application. If you own Android, then go through the Play Store. Once you are on your App Store, on the searching bar, search for Roblox. Once you search for Roblox, there you will see Get option. Simply hit on the Get option, and once it is installed, you will see Open button over there. To open Roblox, simply hit on the Open. If you have not created any account, then simply tap on the Sign Up and go through the process of creating an account on Roblox. But if you have already made an account, then tap on Login and type your username and password and hit on the Login, and then you are good to go. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.